Hello, this is my video on how to explore and edit your profile. You go right and up here where your name is, click on the preferences and edit profile. You should write here your name, it's required, and your email address. I recommend you change your time zone so you know when your online live class is. Write something about you, and you can upload picture of you by clicking add file and select picture and upload the picture. And at the end, you don't forget to click on the update profile. Okay. I also saw that you can select different language by clicking on preferred languages. You can select your language here, and all the names here will be changed in your language, but I turned back to English, so I won't do that now. I also changed editor preferences by clicking on the tiny HTML editor, but it has less options, so I recommend auto. Okay, and you can also choose how to get your notifications. What I want now is to see my badges. I can click here, manage badges, and see that I have only one profile badge. I want to, if you want to add other badges, you can go preferences and backpack settings, and you can click you can write here your email address, but that didn't work. I tried that. You can click on the question mark and select Mozilla Open Pages. Okay, I will click in the other tab. So here you can read about the Mozilla Backpack, that now it's Badger Backpack. What's important is that you create your account. I already did that, so I will sign in. I might be signed in already. And here is my badge. If you want to add other badges, you can click here on add badge and select your badge and click on the add badge button. I don't have other badges, so I close it. If you have more than one badge, you can click on collections and create your collection of badges. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.